In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the endless League of Legends update loop without reinstalling. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So what you want to do is open up this PC, go and open up local disk C or the drive where you have League of Legends, install that. So mine is at C. Now open the Riot Games folder or open Garena if you have it on Garena. Okay, now open the games folder, open up this folder, go to game, and now as you can see there's a League of Legends application here which you don't need to touch. Now go back and open up the League client. Okay, and now scroll down and find the League client application, League client UX and League client UX render. What you want to do is just simply select all three of them, right click on them and click on delete and just delete them. Okay, and now what you want to do is go back to local disk C, open up the Riot Games folder, open up the League of Legends folder. Now go ahead and delete the League client UX and League client UX render applications. And once you delete them, so what you want to do is select both of them, right click on them, click on delete. And once you delete them, make sure that the League of Legends icon on your desktop is deleted as well. And when you're done, what you want to do is just go ahead and open up League of Legends from the search bar. So just search for it, League of Legends. Okay, there it is. Open it up and your game should be fixed. Just don't forget to delete the desktop icon and the League client icons or applications from the folders. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped, and bye.